Hi guys! Sa video na to, I'm going to explain to you kung paano ba mag-solve ng exponential equation gamit ang same base property. Dito, magbibigay ako ng 6 examples on how to solve exponential equations. Okay? Let's start with the first problem. So, we have the equation 3 raised to x minus 9 equals 9 raised to 3 minus x. So, how we are going to solve this? So, ang rule lang natin, dapat maging magkatulad yung base nila. So, we have 3 raised to x minus 9 equals, we know that 9 can be expressed as 3x squared, right? So, we have 3 squared raised to 3 minus x. And then, we have 3 raised to x minus 9 equals 3. Then, power of a power, so we just multiply 2 to 3 minus x. So, distribute 2 times 3, which is 6. Then, 2 times negative x, negative 2x. So, magkatulad ng base, so we can cancel this and equate the exponents. So, we have x minus 9 equals 6 minus 2x. Then, solve for x. Transpose negative 2x to the left. We have x plus 2x equals 6 plus 9. Then x plus 2x is 3x. Then 6 plus 9, 15. Then to solve for x, we divide both sides by 3. Cancel this. We have x equals 5. Okay? So let's have the second example. How about 7 raised to 2x plus 1 equals 1? How we are going to solve this? How we are going to make the base of both sides of the equation the same. So we are going to use the law of exponent, which is a raised to 0 equals 1. Meaning, any number raised to 0 is always 1. So therefore, we can express this as 7 raised to 2x plus 1 equals 7 raised to 0. Because 7 raised to 0 is also equal to 1. And then, we can now equate the exponents. So 2x plus 1 equals 0. And then, transpose. So 2x equals positive 1 will be moved to the right, becomes negative 1. Then divide by 2. So cancel. Therefore, the value of x is negative 1 over 2. Okay? So, let's move to the third example. 5 raised to 3x minus 8 equals 25 raised to 2x. So, same process. We have 5 raised to 3x minus 8. We know that 25 is equal to 5 squared, right? So, it becomes 5 squared raised to 2x. Then, simplify 5 raised to 3x minus 8 equals 5. 2 times 2x, 4x. Then, same base, so we can now equate 3x minus 8 equals 4x. Then, we have to transpose to solve for x. 3x minus 4x equals negative 8. Move to the right, positive 8. Then, 3x minus 4x is negative x equals 8. Therefore, the value of x is equal to negative 8. Why? Dividing both sides by negative 1. Okay? So, number 5. Number 4. We have 4 raised to 3x minus 2 equals 1 over 4 raised to x. So, what we are going to do here is to use the law of exponent. A raised to negative n is equal to 1 over a raised to n. So, we have 4 raised to 3x minus 2 equals 1/4 will become 4 to the negative 1 raised to x. Then, we have 4 raised to 3x minus 2 equals 4 negative 1 times x, negative x. Then, we can equate 3x minus 2 equals negative x. Then, we have 3x. Transpose this to the left, becomes plus x. Transpose this to the right, it becomes positive 2. So 3x plus x is 4x equals 2. Then dividing both sides by 4. Cancel this. We have x equals 2 over 4 or 1 half. So the answer is 1 half. Number 5. How about 3 raised to x squared minus 3x equals 81? Okay, similar procedure. We have 3 raised to x squared minus 3x equals 81 can be expressed as 3 raised to the 4th. So we can now equate the exponents. We have x squared minus 3x equals 4. So the resulting equation is quadratic. So we are going to make this as ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we have to equate to 0. Therefore, it becomes x squared minus 3x. Positive 4 will be moved here. It becomes negative 4 equals 0. So to solve for x, we have to factor. Okay. So the sign of the constant is negative. So we can assure that the sign of the two binomials are opposite. So we have x, x. Then the middle term is negative. Therefore, the larger number should be negative. And that is here. 4 and 1. Because 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. Then 1 plus negative 4 is negative 3. So to solve for x, we have x plus 1 equals 0. Then x equals negative 1. Then x minus 4 equals 0. Therefore, x equals positive 4. So the answers are negative 1 and positive 4. And last example, 16 raised to x plus 1 equals 1/8 raised to 2x plus 1. Okay, so we can not express the equation with the same base such that the base is 16 or the base is 8. So we have to manipulate both sides of the equation. First, let us use the law of exponent such that 16 raised to x plus 1 equals 8 raised to negative 1 to 2x plus 1. Then 16 can be expressed as 2 to the 4th and 8 can be expressed as 2 cubed. So we have 2 to the 4th raised to x plus 1. Then we have 2 to the cube, the negative 1 raised to 2x plus 1. So we have 2, then multiply 4 times x, 4x, 4 times 1, 4. Then we have 2, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, times 2x, negative 6x, 3 times negative 1, negative 3, times 1, negative 3. Okay? We can now equate the exponents. We have 4x plus 4 equals negative 6x minus 3. Then we have 4x plus 6x equals negative 3 minus 4. Then we have 10x. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. Therefore, x is equal to, dividing both sides by 10, negative 7 over 10. Okay? So this is the value of x. Okay, so ganyan lang yung pag-solve ng mga exponential equations na pwede nating express as with the same basis. Okay? Thank you.